Hi everyone, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video we're gonna talk about how to set up membership 2.0 version without recurring payments via Stripe. It will be work like 1.0 version without the payments, and let's set up this card. In the previous video we discussed how to set up the card with the payments with connection with Stripe, and to set up the second version, I prefer to just create a copy of the existing card and just customize the settings. Waiting a bit because it takes some time to copy and paste all the settings because it's a big card actually. Okay, membership free. Let's name it like this. And go to the settings page to customize additional things. Stripe actually is connected, all is good. But for this card, as I said before, we need to deactivate payment collection setting here. Waiting for the saving. Done. Collect payments, select no. And in this case, you will be able to customize the specific time and date for the card expiration. It could be unlimited, it could be fixed term from today, it could be at any date in the future. And I think more reasonable and more interesting option for this setting, it could be the fixed term after card issuing for customer. And it could be 1 day, 1 month, 1 year. And also you could customize from 1 to 30 here in this selector. For example, it could be like, 1 month from the issuing date. Next one, membership tier unit measure name. In our case, if you remember, we created the previous card for Gold's Gym, for the gym. And visits, it's from my point of view, the right explanation and name for the units, limited units. Okay, 3 plans, bronze, silver, and gold. I prefer to stay with just 1 bronze tier. And actually, I would like to remove all the visits for this gym. In this case, what I need to do, I just want to still save the monthly payment for this plan, set up the name like Gold's Gym, not basic but a free membership. Okay, free access to the gym for everyone. Okay, and if I do not want to limit something in this card, I just need to fill in 0 here as a limit. In this case, we will not track the limits, but we will track just visits by this card. Also, if you have some benefits, even for a free, like you could do this 24/7 free access to the gym. Okay, go ahead. Card issuing form. Here we asking for the first name, last name, phone number, email, date of birth, and photo. That's good. I could add location if I want. Customize the language, date format, separators. Purchase amount when charging. Look, in this case, because of it's free, again, it doesn't make sense to activate. But if you want to charge your customers, for example, in cash, instead of using Stripe, you could activate this toggle, and in this case, when you will track the visit, your managers should be filling in the purchase amount with each transaction. You need to consider this option because this option is available, but from my perspective, it doesn't make sense because it's a free membership, and I will deactivate this toggle right now. UTM links, again, if I want to distribute this membership card across the Facebook, maybe Instagram, maybe my TikTok business account, I can. phone mask, privacy policy, Google Wallet installation button. The same limit of the number of the cards. For this free membership, I would set up just 20 as a limit. Limit the number of customers checking a day, not more than one, because it's a free membership and I think that's enough. Next one, design customization here, name of the card. Okay, we decided to do not add some limited features inside this plan, and this is why I think it makes sense to disable this custom field with the limits. Disappear from the card, doesn't make sense to track. Next one, settings, information, all looks good. Just finish the settings. Okay, well, we customized all the things and we just need to push the button save and preview, activate the card, download the PDF for printing and placement in location. That's it, continue, and again save and preview to check how it looks like on the card enrollment form. Well, this is the same. I need to use the different phone number. Okay, use Richie profile, picture, install in Apple Wallet. And that's it. Card has been downloaded because in this case, we do not want to redirect our customers to the Stripe because it's a free card, and the card will be installed immediately after filling in and complete the card enrollment form. That's it. This is how it works, and really easy to use, easy to onboard and set up card. Without the payments, it really takes something about 5 minutes to set up membership 1.0 and start enrollment your customers into the membership program for free without any payments. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next one. Take care.